Lately I've been showing you everything that League City, Texas has to offer, and this is no different today. So we are in the new construction community of Davis Harbor here, and it is different than some of the other communities that I have shown because this community is smaller. It is kind of considered a pocket community where it is kind of in between neighboring communities, in between different little commercial spots. And I'm excited to show you this because it's got some unique features to it. So not only are we in a smaller community, we've got lower taxes here, lower HOA, there's fewer amenities here, so there's no pool, but there are walking trails, there's a neighborhood park, and most importantly, we're near the lake here. So if you are a boater, if you're looking to kayak, if you're looking to be a couple minutes away from water, then this might be an ideal community. Whereas some of the other communities that I have featured recently have not been quite as close to amenities like Clear Lake. It is Clear Creek ISD around here, so that is one of the selling features to this area as well, is the school district. Lower taxes here as well, so we are under 2% tax rate here in this incredible community here. And so I want to show you the surrounding area. We are 2 minutes down the road from the Marina off of Clear Lake. I'm going to show you Clear Lake itself. So if you're not familiar with League City, you can see what does it look like around here, what am I getting water wise, and I want to show you that. So we are here taking a look at the model home in this community. They just finished furnishing it a week ago, and so I'm going to show you, I'm going to take you in here. We're talking about a 2-story. This is 2,900 square feet, and it's a 4-bed, 3.5 bath. So I'm excited to show you what's right behind me here. If you're ready, let's go do it. Got about 90 lots here in Davis Harbor to build on, and so we are here looking at the Chloe plan, and it is 4 beds, 3.5 baths, 2,983 square feet with a 3-car tandem garage. So here we are inside. We've got the dining, the formal dining, right away here off to the right. It could also be a study space as well. We come straight on through to the garage and laundry. They have a lovely half bath here. And then it becomes wide open to the kitchen and living space. Windows higher up on the side there. Lovely kitchen. They went with kind of a sage green and white, light tan color for their finishes. They did the accent wall where the TV space is. Built-in oven. And then out here in the backyard, we've got an extended patio. They've put a fire pit out here. All brick on all sides. And then towards the back of the home is the master. Great space in here. They did a wallpaper accent, which I love. It's very foresty and calm. Great size room here with the tray ceiling. Primary bathroom, frameless shower, soaking tub. The frameless shower is generally an upgrade. You can get the frame. The frameless looks great though. Nice size master closet in here. We're gonna head back out to the living area, get you a really good view of that again. And then I'm gonna take you upstairs. Great view from open to below. It's even open to below in the game room area off to the left-hand side over there. I think this is a great size for a bedroom up here. I just think their bedroom sizes, all of them, are great size. So here you can see open to below from the front entrance. A linen closet, you could put games in there, all sorts of things. Game room area. So what do you think about the floor plans like this one that kind of wrap around? So you kind of get bedrooms on all sides of the upstairs. I actually really like that idea. It kind of spaces out the bedrooms a little bit more, really. I think it's a great idea, especially if you were going to put a mother-in-law suite up here or have somebody with their own space. I think this room, in fact, could make an amazing mother-in-law suite. You have a bathroom nearby with a good closet. But this is a great size room. This is the biggest room in the upstairs. It really could be like a second master. Bathroom, 2 sinks. And we've got 2 bedrooms here on this side. And every closet up here is walk-in. So I think that's a bonus there. Another full bath up here. And another decent sized room up here. The windows letting all the light in with this room is pretty amazing. Let me know what you think about this plan. This is not the largest plan in this community, but it is one of the biggest. Let me know what you think.